Check.
And we're going to start by talking about the tropics. A lot brewing out there over the past several days, and we're still tracking a few different systems, the strongest of which poses no threat to any populated areas. Let's take a look at the tropical satellite view. Gaston is a hurricane way out near the Atlantic Ocean. Tropical depression, we've got one off the coast of North Carolina, another one down in the Gulf of Mexico. Those are the two that would at least have the potential to impact our weather. Doesn't look like either of them is actually going to do so. Both of them are going to track to the west, then turn to the northeast. There's one in the Gulf of Mexico likely to strengthen to a tropical storm before it makes landfall just to the north of Tampa. That's going to be late Thursday. The other one will approach the outer banks of North Carolina before it too turns out to sea. The same weather pattern that's going to drive these off to the northeast is also going to bring some cooler and drier air towards us by the end of the work week. Looking outside, skies are brightening. Not seeing a whole lot of fog out there this morning from our usual foggy spots in Carthage. Cookeville looking okay, but some fog in the distance there might slow you down just a little bit. Nothing showing up on the forewarned live radar right now. Clean sweep of the skies, and we're just expecting a couple of pop-up showers, maybe a storm later on today. Temperatures are running in the low to mid 70s in most locations. The farther east you go, mid to upper 60s if you're real lucky, but it is very muggy out there once again, and it's going to be hot and muggy overall. 90 degrees by noon. Winds light out of the northeast. Isolated storm possible by noon. The better chance will be farther into the afternoon, but even then, 20% chance at best. 94 will feel more like 100 degrees once you factor in the humidity. Slightly better storm chance tomorrow will linger into early Thursday, and then that drier air is going to be heading our way. It should be here by the time Vanderbilt kicks off against South Carolina, by the time Tennessee kicks off against Appalachian State, if you're going to be making the drive to Knoxville. And the nicer weather will stick around through the Labor Day weekend. Looking pretty good. Warm, but pleasantly warm with that low humidity lingering through Monday. We'll be right back after a quick break. More Channel 4 News today on the way.